Joining me now is Dan Isom, retired chief of police for the city of St. Louis. Dan, thank you for joining us. I want to get your response to this investigation. Do you agree with the DOJ findings?
Yes, I do. There has been a long problem between the Chicago Police Department and communities of color in Chicago. And for many years, they've talked about it being a rotten apple scenario. But what the Attorney General has said is there are deep systemic problems in the Chicago Police Department.
You say deep systemic problems. That's exactly how the DOJ puts it. But is there an adequate tool to hold the city of Chicago, the police force, accountable in the future for any changes that they make?
Well, history has shown us that if police departments, cities, and also the community enter in consent decrees with the Department of Justice in a way that they could have independent, transparent oversight, then there is the possibility that they could turn around their police department for the betterment of their community. An example of that is Los Angeles Police Department. They have made great strides in working with the Department of Justice to turn their police department around in Los Angeles.
You know, we heard Attorney General Loretta Lynch comment on the rise in violent crime in Chicago. How do you think that this informed the investigation?
Well, I think that it's important, as the Attorney General said, that communities have trust in their police department. Our whole criminal justice system depends on input from the community, whether it means calling the police when something happens, witnessing a crime, or being a participant as a jury member in a case. And so all of that rests upon the fact that community members are engaged and trust the process. And so it's critical that they begin the work of repairing relationships in Chicago so they can reduce the level of crime and violence in their community.
I'm Dan Isom from St. Louis. Thanks again.